Welcome to the second period of third chapter. Bananas. Keshu and Ramu brought bananas for the king. 10 bananas in each bunch. How many bananas did each bring? Here you can see the picture of bananas Keshu and Ramu bring. Keshu brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bunches and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bananas. Ramu brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single bananas. You find who brought more bananas. Look here. Keshu brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bunches. In one bunch there is 10 bananas. In 7 bunch there is 70 bananas. 8 single bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 single bananas. The total bananas Keshu brought 70 plus 8, 78. Here Ramu brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches. In 1 bunch 10 bananas. In 5 bunches 50 bananas. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 bananas. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single bananas. Total bananas Ramu brought 50 plus 5, 55 bananas. We will find who brought more bananas. How many more? Look here. Keshu brought 78 bananas. Ramu brought 55 bananas. First we take some bananas from this. When we take two bunches from Keshu, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches. In Ramu's there is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches. Then the bunches of Keshu and Ramu are equal. We take 2 bunches. Here Ramu has 5 single bananas. When we take 3 bananas from Keshu's. 1, 2, 3. When we take 3 bananas, single bananas from Keshu, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches, 5 bananas. In Ramu 5 bunches, 5 bananas. Now it is equal. Here 50 plus 5, 55. Ramu 50 plus 5, 55. The bananas of 2 are equal. But Ramu brought this much bananas more. How many bananas are here? We take 2 bunches of bananas from Keshu, that is 1, 2, 20. Then 3 single bananas. 1, 2, 3. So here we take 20 plus 3 bananas from Keshu. Then the bananas of Ramu and Keshu are equal. So Keshu brought this much bananas more, that is 20 plus 3, 23. So we can find Keshu brought 23 bananas more. Here also showing 2 bunch and 3 more, total 20 plus 3, 23 more. Keshu brought 78 bananas, Ramu brought 55 bananas. How much bananas Keshu brought more? Here is another way to find this. Here 55, how much we add to 55 to get 78? Listen, how much we add to 55 to get 78? How much we add 55 to get 78? We can find this 78 minus 55 is equal to, we can find how much we add 55 to get 78, that is 78 minus 55. How we subtract 55 from 78? We start subtracting from the ones place. First we subtract 5 from 8. How much we add 5 to get 8? When we add 5 to 1, 6, 2, 7, 3. When we add 3 to 5, 3 to 5 get 8. Subtract 5 from 7. How much we add 5 to get 7? And add 1, 6, 2, 7. We add 2 to 5 get 7, that is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then we get the answer 23. Keshu brought 23 bananas more than Ramu. Keshu brought 78, Ramu brought 55. We find 23 bananas Keshu brought more than Ramu. That is 78 is 23 more than 55. We find this by subtracting 55 from 78, that is 78 minus 55. The king ate 43 bananas from those Keshu brought. How much left in Keshu's lot? Keshu brought, the king ate remaining bananas. Keshu brought 78 bananas. The king ate 43 bananas. Remaining bananas is equal to, first we take 43 bananas from here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. We take 43 bananas. That bananas ate by king. The balance bananas are here 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. We can find this answer in another way. How we find the balance remaining bananas? The total bananas Keshu brought 78. The king ate 43. The balance bananas remaining. How we find the balance? 78 minus 43 is equal to 78 minus 43. 78 minus 43. First subtract 3 from 8. To subtract 3 from 8, we add how much we add 3 to get 8. We find how much we add 3 to get 8. When we add 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we add 5 to 3, we get 8. That is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Subtract 4 from 7. How much we add 4 to get 7? We add 4 to 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. We add 3 to 4, we get 7. That is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So now we get to the answer 35 bananas. Find the remaining bananas by subtracting the bananas king 8. Total bananas 78, the king 8 43. So we find 78 minus 43 is equal to 35. That is 35 bananas remaining after king's 8. Here you can see how we subtract 43 from 78. First write like this: 78 minus 43. Here 8 and 3 ones, 7 and 4 tens. We start subtracting from ones place. ഒറ്റയുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് നിന്നാണ് കുറച്ച് തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. First we subtract 3 from 8. 8ൽ നിന്ന് 3 കുറയ്ക്കാൻ 3നോട് എത്ര കൂട്ടിയാൽ 8 കിട്ടുമെന്ന് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. 3നോട് 1 കൂട്ടിയാൽ 3 3 4, 3 2 5, 3 3 6, 4 3 7, 5 3 8. That is we subtract 3 from 8, we get 5. Then we go to the tens place. We subtract 4 from 7. 7ൽ നിന്ന് 4 കുറയ്ക്കാൻ 4നോട് എത്ര കൂട്ടിയാൽ 7 കിട്ടുമെന്ന് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. 4നോട് 1 കൂട്ടിയാൽ 4 3 5, 4 2 6, 4 3 7. When we subtract 4 from 7, we get 3. The total answer is 35. Here you can see how we subtract. Look here. Damu had brought 35 bananas and the king ate 32 of them. How you find how much bananas left after king's ate? Damu brought total 35 bananas. King ate 32 of them. If Ramu had brought 35 bananas and the king ate 32 of them, how much is left? Here some mistake we can see in regarding this picture. Here we find Ramu brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 55 bananas. You can do this problem with 55 bananas also. You can do it with 35 bananas or 55 bananas. How much is left? How you find? We can find how much is left by subtracting 32 from the bananas Ramu brought. That is 35. We subtract 32 from 35. That is 35 minus 32. 35 minus 32. Here you write 35. Here 32. If you take the bananas from this picture, you write here 55 bananas. Ramu had brought 55 bananas and the king ate 32 of them. Then you find the balance bananas by subtracting 32 from the 55. Here you write 55 minus 32. Here I take Tamu brought 55 bananas. The king ate 32 bananas. How we find the remaining bananas? That is 55 minus 32. First we start the subtraction from one side, one's place. That is, we subtract 2 from 5. To subtract 2 from 5, we add, how much we add? 2 to get 5. രണ്ടിനോട് എത്ര കൂട്ടിയാൽ 5 കിട്ടുമെന്ന് നോക്കുക. രണ്ടിനോട് 1 കൂട്ടിയാൽ 3, 2 4, 3 കൂട്ടുമ്പോൾ 5 കിട്ടും. That is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3. When 3നോട് എത്ര കൂട്ടിയാൽ 5 കിട്ടും? 3നോട് 1 കൂട്ടിയാൽ 4, 2 കൂട്ടിയാൽ 5, 23. We get the answer 23. 55 minus 32 is equal to 23. If we take 35 bananas, the answer is Tamu brought 35 bananas. The king ate 32 bananas. Here 35 minus 32. 35 minus 32. First 5 minus 2. രണ്ടിനോട് എത്ര കൂട്ടിയാൽ 5 കിട്ടും? Here also 3. Here 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0, 3. That is 3. If Tamu brought 35 bananas, the king ate 32 bananas. Remaining bananas is equal to 3. We get this by subtracting 32 from 35.